Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Altima cabin filter step by step. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn off the ignition before starting work. Gather a flathead screwdriver, new cabin filter, and a rag. Open the glove box, detach the stops, and lower it to access the filter housing. Slide out the old filter, note airflow arrow, insert the new filter in the correct orientation, reassemble parts, and test the blower. I'll walk you through removing the glove box so you can reach the cabin filter easily. First, open the glove box fully and empty its contents into a safe place. Locate the nylon stops on each side and gently push them inward while lowering the glove box door. If a damper arm is present, unhook it carefully. Lower the glove box until the filter housing is exposed and you have clear access for removal. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss more car care tips. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It fits most cup holders and seals well. I picked it up for road trips and it pairs nicely with oil change brakes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we will replace the cabin filter step by step to ensure clean airflow and cabin comfort. Reach into the housing and slide out the old filter slowly to avoid releasing trapped debris. Inspect the old filter for excessive dirt, leaves, or mold and compare to the new filter. Note the airflow arrow and install the new filter in that direction. Reassemble the glove box and run the blower to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.